Assalamu alaikum. My name is Arsalan and I'm your class teacher. So let's start today lecture. Okay, now it's our third lecture of this week number 3, and I'm your maths class teacher. My name is Arsalan, and today we will start Unit 2, Sequence, Expression, and Formulas. Okay, the first of all, generating sequence. As you can see on my, I hope all of you see clearly, generating sequence. How we will generate sequence. Now the sequence, this is the sequence of a number like 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. So after 2 points, after 2 steps, okay, after adding 2, so he's moving the next step like 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13. As it is like that, he's moving more and more and more, okay. So this is a linear sequence because the term in the sequence increase by the same amount each time. So each term is 2 more than the term before. So that the term to term rule is add 2. Okay. So here it's called linear sequence. Maybe I asked you this question on your quiz that what is linear sequence. So you just tell me the right answer. Okay. So and what is term to term rule? Term to term rule is add 2. So you can also use the position to term rule. This one is term to term rule, and here is we have position to term rule to describe the sequence. Position to term rule is in this table you can see the position numbers of each term in this sequence. So position to term rule in this sequence, as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. When I write 1, so let's suppose position is 1. So 1 multiplied by 2, that is 2 plus 3, that is 5. So when I write 1, so my answer will be 5. So how we will get 5? So with the help of position to term rule. So we will make this position to term rule in our mind, then we will solve these all things. Okay. So this one is third term and this one is fifth term. So like that we will solve all these things. So here we have first example. The first term in the sequence is 4. Term to term rule in this sequence is subtract minus means 3. Write down the first three term rules. So we know that first is 4, then go 3 minus, so it's 1. Then again 3 minus, it's equal to minus 2. So what is the position to term rule? So he just give us position to term rule. When you put 1, so it's equal 4 multiplied 1, 1 plus 1, 5. So position to term rule is 5. The second one is 9. Then other is means when I add 2, so 2 multiplied by 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. And when I add 3, so answer is 13. Like that you are solving all these. These are two different parts. Same as it is you, if I say to you, write, sorry, first term is 1, so term to term rule is add 5. So what you do, 1 first is 1, then next is 6, okay, because we add 5, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 5, 16. So like that we are solving the all other parts. Now as it is same, you solve the remaining parts. Question number 2, first term of the sequence is 15. Term to term rule is add 7. So it's as it is same, first is 15, then add 7, 22, then add 7, 29, and so on. So he said what is the fifth term? So what is the fifth term? When we are adding 29 and 36 plus again 7, we add 43. So we will, the our fifth term is 43. So like that you are solving this part. So I will just circle this one, fifth one. So let's move on here. So here first exercise is 2.1, that is the answer of 2.1. Now other question number 3. So how we will solve question number 3? So now you can see here, this is the part of the Zalika homework. Is Zalika is correct, means you just see First term is 3, term to term is 12. 3 plus 12, 15. So work out the 10th term. So how we will get 10th term? So 10th to 10 term. So as it is same, you are writing. She write here 10 minus 1, 9. So 9 multiplied by 12. Why 12? Because she add 12. So that's why she multiply the same number. And she need to find 10th term. So with the help of this 3, this number we add with this one because we already remove 1. So is it 111? Is she correct? Let's check. Yes, she is correct. Her method is right. So these method you are also check this method, and with the help of this, as I told you in the class, so you solve as it is like that. So question number 4 and 5 you I already teach you in the class, and 6 as well. So you follow the same procedure. Fifth is same and easy method. You just add here 1 plus 7. So write here 8 as it is 9 like that. So it's easy. I will show you the answers. Here are the answers of the given questions. So I hope all of you understand. So the next topic, inshallah, we will next question we will study inshallah in our next week. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.